Many students say this is the toughest subject of engineering. It's not. It's probably the most interesting subject of engineering. You're going to love this subject if you understand it the right way. You want to learn big things, your basics have to be right. Before I teach anything, the first thing I always tell students is you should know why you're learning. Is there a 𝗕𝗵𝗿 in a fan? No. In a tube light? No. In a remote control? Yes. In a mobile phone? Yes. In a computer? Definitely yes. So where do you require a 𝗕𝗵𝗿? A 𝗕𝗵𝗿 is used. Tell me where? Come on, tell me. What is it that a computer or phone or a remote control does, which a fan or a tube light doesn't do? Programming.